All right, we are looking at chain rule, okay, and you have to use this formula to do your differentiation. You can see that from what we have here, dy over dx is equals to dy over du times du over dx. If you have a function like this, you have to represent your u, you know, with something like this, and then from there you find your dy du, then du dx. For instance, if you are asked to, okay, let me um, share my whiteboard so that we can look at one example. All right, let me share my whiteboard so that we can look at one example. Okay. All right. Can you see what is on the screen? Okay. That's good. So I'm going to, you know,
Someone
alright,
learns.
so we have dy over dx is equals to dy over du times du over dx. Alright. For instance, now if you are to differentiate something like y is equals to 3x minus 2 raised to power 7. Okay, and you know you cannot just differentiate it easily without using that approach. So you have to say let u is equals to 3x minus 2, and then your du over dx is going to give you 3. Then you are going to have y is equals to u raised to power 7. So definitely you are going to have you know definitely you are going to have dy over du is equals to 7u raised to power 6. So with this, okay, we can now, okay, let me open another sheet. Then we can now say our dy over dx is equals to the we're having the dy over du times the u over dx. So our dy over du, the dx is going to be, now let's go back and check. Um, can you tell me what is your dy du? That is a 7 u raised power 6. Okay, that's good. 7 u raised power 6 times, then your du dx, if you go back there, you are going to see it. Okay, du dx, this is du dx. Okay, so you put it there times 3. Then it's going to be 21 u raised to power 6. And then finally, the y over dx is going to give us 21. Now, what's our u? Let's go back and check. Our u is 3x minus 2. So you put it there. So we are going to have 3x minus 2 raised to power 6. So that is just how to go about your chain rule. Okay. So finally, okay, let me share the screen again before we conclude, and then let's look at what we have there. So let me show you what we have there. All right, can you see? Okay, now can you see the textbook on the screen? All right, so if you look at the examples, just what we have done now, can you see? Find the derivative of y is equals to 3x minus 2 raised to power 7. Okay, this is this. And then can you see this one? To find the derivative of y is equals to 2 into bracket. So in the case of this, you have to express your u as what is inside the bracket in the denominator. Okay, y is equals to 2, okay, minus 2 over 3x squared plus 1 raised to power 5. So you have to express your u as 3x squared plus 1. Then your du dx is going to be, if you differentiate 3x squared plus 1, that is 6x. Then if we are going to have y is equals to 2 over minus 2 over u. Now let me show you something here very quickly. uh, let me show you something very quickly. Okay. Now, if you are having something like this, okay, can you see the board again? Can you see the board now? Okay. All right, you should be able to see the board now. Yes. All right, that's good. So we have this. So now, in a situation whereby you have y is equals to minus 2 over, let's say 3x minus 6. Let's just as an example. So when you say let u is equals to my 3x minus 6, then y is going to be minus 2 over u raised to power 4. Okay. Now, there's a need for you to still express it this way. Times 1 over u raised to power 4. Then it's going to be minus 2 times u raised to power minus 4. Okay. And then your y is going to be minus 2 u raised to power minus 4. So this is what you are going to use, and then once you follow this step, then you are going to get your final answer. So go through this. Then in our next class, we are going to continue from there. Do you have any question? Okay, all right, that's good. So have a nice day.